Okay, so here's the other areas of packing that I want to be mindful of. That are the containers. And so for me, one of my biggest hacks is this pill box. And this pill box has really allowed me to leave a lot of my packages at home. And so this is a pill box that I use to put my facial cleanser. This first two are my facial cleanser. This is a hydrating lotion for my face. This here is a leave-in conditioner. I have curly hair, so I need quite a few conditioners. And so this one, and I believe these two are conditioners. And that's the beauty of this as well. You can customize whatever it is that you'd like to contain, these areas to contain. You can duplicate, you can, have solo areas as well. This here was a body scrub that I'm not going to use as often because I do carry a gel with me. So you get the impression that, this is going to be your sort of your home away from home, but it's pretty small and sleek to carry. Lately, what I've been doing is putting this in a sock because, as you can imagine, once you travel and you change altitude and you're in the air and things, sway and liquid sometimes leaks. So I'm putting this in a sock, and then I'm carrying along my Ziploc bag, and I'm putting everything into that container. And when I get to my destination, I should be all set. Now, if you do leak any product, it's not lost because you're going to use it on your face or on your hair or somewhere. So I think it's all good. The other thing that I want to mention is, as you finish and consume products, this was an eye cream, I believe. This is a perfect size for you to carry whatever it is you want to carry. Eye cream or lotion or lip balm or whatever it is. You can make sure you don't throw these things out. You reuse them. And then here, I got this at the dollar store. This was probably in the area where they have, car supplies. And I could see this as another container that I could put either jewelry in, or I could put my lotions in here. This one I haven't tested, so I would imagine you might have some, mixing of products on this one. So you just need to be mindful. But you could put, like, if there's a couple of leave-in conditioners you use, and for my curly hair girls, if there's a couple of conditioners you use that you're going to mix ultimately, it doesn't matter. You could totally use this. So that's just another thing to think about.